guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Shama from Happy Living Now, where we take on a holistic approach to helping you design a life that you love. So I wanted to make this quick video just to drop by really quickly and talk about my hair. I know there are a couple hair videos I have lined up in my content calendar that I would want to make for you guys. Just haven't had a time to get around to it. So those videos will be coming, so stick around for them. I am trying my best to get out videos to you guys. But my schedule as of the start of this week has been a little bit hectic, and it's gonna be like that for a while most likely. So yeah, bear with me. But I wanted to make this video because my hair, yo. So I don't know if you can see, but I have a little bit of growth. Let's see. I don't know if you could see this. I have a little bit of growth. I wouldn't say it's a lot, because the last time I retwisted my hair, I believe it was a couple weeks before I had actually put in the passion twist over my locks. So yeah, that was the last time I retwisted my hair, and I think that was about maybe sometime in the ending of January. I'm not totally sure, but I think it was sometime around the ending of January that I retwisted my hair before I put in the passion twist over my locks. And then since I've taken off that passion twist, I have washed my hair twice. And especially when I took off my passion twist, I did a hot oil treatment so I could restore moisture back to my locks, because those had been in for about 3 weeks, almost a month. So yeah, my hair was in desperate need of a hot oil treatment, so I did that. And since then I've washed my hair again. So just to give you guys a mini update, I think as of right now, I'm about 8 months locked now, going into 9 months. March, yeah, 9 months, because in June will be a year. Wow, time flies, right? But as of right now, I'm about 9 months locked. About to be 9 months locked, 8 months locked, and yeah, I think my hair has been growing, you know, to the best that it can. But really, I am thinking of combining some of my locks. I know when I first installed my locks, and I might be all over the place with this video, because this video is very impromptu. You know, like I said, I just decided to pull off the camera right now as I got home from work and do this, so I apologize if this video is all over the place, but it's very impromptu. But when I first installed my locks, I think I installed about 240 something locks. I know since then I've combined a bit, I've split some, and yes, I'm looking to combine some more. So don't even ask me how much locks I have, because right now I don't know how many locks I have, and I will do a lock count video as well. And also, while I'm at it, I am really thinking about doing a Q&A. It can be a general Q&A, or it could be a lock specific Q&A. Hey, if we can make 2 videos that are Q&A, then that's even great. So if you guys have any questions that you would want me to answer, whether it's lock related, or you have any questions that you would want to ask, general questions that you want to ask, feel free to drop them down in the comments below. And if I have enough questions, depending on how many questions I get, whether it's general or locks, I'll definitely make a Q&A. Feel free to DM me on Instagram as well. Feel free to DM me on Instagram as well if you have any questions. My Instagram handle will be up on the screen, so you can feel free to DM me on Instagram. So yeah, back to my hair. So yeah, I am thinking about combining some locks, y'all. The reason why I'm thinking of combining some of my locks is because there are certain parts of my hair that seem to be thin. Let me see if I could find, I don't know if I can find. Let's see. So when I install them, they were small. I guess this two will work. So I don't know if you could see. Yeah, let's use this too. When I first installed my locks, I installed them, especially at the front of my hair. I installed them small because I thought that once the hair locks, it would swell a bit. As you can see, and I hope you can see that clearly, this lock, and actually the three of them, right? This lock, it's thicker from here all the way to the end. And then it's much thinner from the roots for about maybe 1.5 inches. And I don't know if the thickness of the lock was because I was doing like a 2-point rotation at some point, and then I changed from a 2-point rotation to I think a 3- and 4-point rotation, because I found that the 2-point rotation was actually leaving holes in my locks. Like my locks wasn't as tight. And I know the 2-point rotation helps your locks swell a bit, but for my hair, for some reason, I think I was getting a bit unraveling. So it wasn't working. And then I changed over to maybe, I think, a 3- and a 4-point rotation in certain areas. But I am thinking about combining these because my concern is that they're gonna get thinner over time and they won't get thicker. And I would much rather combine them and know that I have base to my lock than to keep it going and run the risk of my locks getting so thin that they break off. So that's my concern right now. So like I said, I have a couple of locks like that throughout my hair, not too many. Maybe I would say maybe less than 10 locks that are like this, that are really concerning me. So yeah, I'm thinking about combining my locks, and I don't know, what do you guys think? But I think I'll actually go ahead and combine them. Actually, my grid at this point may be all messed up, but like I've said time and time again, it is more important to me to maintain healthy hair over time than it is to maintain whether it is a grid or a certain look. I rather that my hair be healthy. So if it means that my grid is messed up, hey, that's fine too. I don't really care about that. In terms of combining them, I may just do a 2-strand twist. So I may like 2-strand twist the locks like this. Hold on, let me see if I can show you guys. Okay. So I may just 2-strand twist the locks loosely like that, and then actually interlock the roots. And as you can see, even if I combine this lock, like let's say I do this, right? Let's say I twist it. It's still not that big. It's still micro size. It's a micro lock. It's still the regular size. So I'm not concerned that it's gonna get overly thick either, because this is what the roots would look like if I combine it. I think I did that for one of my locks on this side. There were 2 locks that were a bit thin. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, yeah, there were 2 locks that were thin, and I did this. Let me see if I can tilt you guys a little bit. I did that lock really right around the time after I installed my lock. So you can see it's not that thick, right? It's still a decent size. Micro locks. And then the end here is actually 2. I don't want to take it apart because it's It's pretty much matting, but it's 2. And you can see it's been a lot of interlock. I've done a lot of interlocking since I combined it, as you can see. So yeah, I'm thinking of doing that, and I think I may actually do that. And I know most of the locks that I want to combine, they're around the front of my head, where my hair is a bit thin. As I mentioned in my micro lock installation series, certain parts of my hair are more dense than others, especially the front. The front of my hair is very thin. I don't have much hair at the front of my head, and I believe one of the sides were still a bit more dense than the other side. So that may be why my hair is thinning at the front of my head, because again, the hair at the front of my head is not as dense, I guess. And then certain parts at the back of my head is having the same issue. My new growth, the undercut, it's growing in, so it hasn't grown that much, but you know, it's growing in, as you can see. And I tend to do a 2-strand flat twist off and on just to keep the hair properly maintained and, you know, to help it grow even more. So once it's grown long enough that I can install my new locks there, I will do that. Hoping maybe in the next couple months that I have enough growth, because again, I do have enough growth on some parts of my hair at the back, especially in the middle and towards the left side of my head at the back has enough hair that I can install. But the right side of my head, it's very, very thin and sparse. So yeah, I mean, I'm not sure that I'm going to retighten anytime soon, because my hair still looks pretty decent. It's probably been just a little over a month since I last retightened. So I might try to see if I can push it till March, till the end of March, and do my retightening then. That's my mini update. I just wanted to stop by really quickly and chit chat with you guys and let you know where my mind is at as far as my locks are concerned. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, definitely go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or video requests, drop them in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and join the rest of the Happy Living Now fam by hitting the subscribe button below and hitting the notification bell so you never miss another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay blessed, and I will see you guys next time.